Good afternoon, my name is Neidin Porras Gutierrez, and the main problems that are analyzed in the two songs are basically that society is lost in a series of problems such as delinquency, insecurity, murders, evil cruelty. An example is that here in Colombia, they are killing many children, and authors of these their own parents. Some sung by problems such as alcohol, drugs, jealousy, lose their minds and commit these terrible murders. The songs are from Black and Pigs and Pink. In conclusion, this world lacks the true love of God. Thank you very much. Bye bye.